Hyderabad. Welcome to my show, Jewelry World Exhibitions in Hyderabad at Taj Krishna. So we have got 50 jewelers from Ahmedabad, Bombay, Surat, Hyderabad, and they have got incredible display, a lot of display, a lot of new styles for the brides to be. And I would invite all the brides, wedding families, groom families to come visit the exhibition. There is so much to display. You will complete all your wedding shopping over here. Even jewelry lovers can come and find so much of variety. And so we do exhibitions in Bombay. We are very famous in Bombay, Ahmedabad, and we get the best curation from India. We are having GK Chudiwalas who's from Jaipur. We are having Diva from Bombay. So they are all award-winning jewelers. They have won different awards at different platforms, and they're very well-known, renowned jewelers. So I invite you all Hyderabad to come visit the show, and it will be a feast for all of you for your weddings.
How was the response?
So last year the response was very good. So last year the response was very good. In fact, the jewelers who had come with us last year, they were like, we want to go again. We want to go back to Hyderabad because Hyderabad is very fond of jewelry, and they buy very long sets and they buy different types of varieties. So my jewelers who had come last year from Bombay, from Jaipur, so they were like, we want to go back. So after a month only, they were like, we want to go back to Hyderabad because people are really very flamboyant over there, and they're very very fond of jewelry.
Thank you. Everyone, this is Anika Khara, and we are very happy to be a part of Jewelry World. And it's an exclusive exhibition where you will find more than 50
Jeweler houses
jewelers
participating from all over India.
Yeah, all over India. And each piece is very innovative. It's very exclusive. So don't miss this chance and be here at Taj Krishna on 23rd, 24th, and 25th. Please be there, and it's full of bridal wear, general wear, classy wear, everything you will get at one stop.
Yes, it's a one-stop destination.
What is
Let him talk. He's coming.
I'm Geeta Chandani. Thank you, Anita Khara Garu and Anchal Garu, for giving me this opportunity to be here in midst of all these lovely people. And here it's an exclusive jewelry exhibition where the elegance meets craftsmanship and the variety of items, all the different jewelry. Tell something, Anika, about the jewelry.
Yeah, it's very amazing. You have exclusive pieces from like jewelry wear to normal day wear. It's a mix of 50 jewelers, so don't miss this chance. Be here on 23rd, 24th, and 25th.